So like, what is the biggest thing you can do right now to fix your credit, right? Over the next 3 to 5 minutes, guys, this is going to be a short video because there's going to be a lot of psychology behind the question I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask each and every one of you guys to take a second and thumbs up this video. But I'm going to also ask you to comment on a question that I'm going to ask that has been baffling me for literally 10 years. And I've been trying to figure out the psychology behind it, but it's a tough one. And so if you are in a position now where your credit score is under 781 and you know that FICO's coming, right? A lot of people were asking questions. I did a video where I said, hey, look, FICO is finally here. The FICO 10 trending T, which basically means a 24-month look back on your credit. Lenders are going to be able to see. And people were asking, well, why should I fix my credit? Okay, so why you should fix your credit is because you want to fix your credit before the lender pulls the FICO 10T, not after. If you wait till after and the lender gets a hold of it, then they can look back 2 years. But if you fix it right now, prior to getting a car, a credit card, a loan, a mortgage, a rental, then you're safe. That's the whole purpose, is getting it done without waiting. Because if you wait, like every other 99.9% of America that procrastinates on everything they do, they procrastinate on their health. Their teeth are falling out of their face before they go to the dentist. They're the kind of people that shoes are falling off their feet before they go get shoes. Health's terrible. You know, I mean, they're the kind of people who their tires are falling off their car before they can have enough couth to go get another car. They're the kind of people that, you know, are in terrible areas in the ghetto because they have decided to wait till the last second to fix their credit. And see, it's more of a peace of mind for me. It's not the things that allows you to do, but it's the peace of mind to know that when I do need something, I don't have to worry about going, oh, now what do I do? You see, that's a big thing, right? It's a peace of mind to go, all right, I want to go get a car. I don't have to wait months, years for rickety ass credit repair companies to try to figure it out. I don't have to wait to go get a car or a house or credit cards. I just apply and I get approved. Guys, I was at a 515 credit score. Most of you know my story. I've been telling it for many, many years. I was at a 515 credit score. I was literally getting denied for everything. Places that said no credit check, they were denying me. Places that said literally, like you could have a 550 credit score to get this credit card, right? This Credit One Bank, or, you know, this garbage credit card. And I'm getting denied. I literally was getting secured credit cards denied, where I would put my own money up and they were denying me. When you start getting denied for secured credit cards, you know you have a problem. And so what I would focus on, and this is part one of the question, what I would focus on is what's going to make the biggest impact to your credit. Well, if you know the factors and you know that 35% of your credit score is based on payment history, and then 30% is utilization, and then 15% is your age, and 10% is your mixture, and 10% is your inquiries, then wouldn't you want to focus on the top two the most? I mean, wouldn't the psychology behind that go, okay, if I want to increase my credit score 65%, why would I focus on my inquiries first? I would focus on payment history, 35%, and I would focus on my utilization, my credit card debt. So the easiest way and thing that you can do right away is get rid of late payments. Get rid of collections and charge-offs. That's going to be your top thing. That's 35% of your score. And then you're going to move to utilization, or you could do utilization first. Get your credit cards laid out, put the credit name at the top, whatever bank it is, put the credit limit, put underneath that how much you owe, and then get the credit utilization down to 2% of the total credit limit. And watch what happens to your score. But you see, most people wait. They wait. And so my question for you is this, and this is where I want to leave you guys with, is if you knew FICO 10 was coming out, and you're going to get spanked if you're under 700 credit score, period, end of discussion. I mean, there's just no way around it. They've already said it. Data shows that if you're under 700 credit score, you're going to get spanked. Okay? So why would you not want to get it up first before lenders are really everybody's using it? Because as adults and as the human behavior, we wait. We procrastinate because we don't make it a priority. You see, when someone's pushing your head underwater, what's the first thing you're thinking about? It ain't your credit. You're not thinking about food. You're not thinking about I'm tired. You're not thinking about, work. What are you thinking about? You're thinking about breathing. This is how you need to think about credit. You need to think about success as much as you want to breathe. Think about that. Let that sink in for 1 second. If you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you will be successful. And it comes down to doing and taking action. And stop waiting. Focus on the two biggest things. Payment history, collections, charge-off, late payments. 35% of your score. Utilization, 30%. Now your credit score goes up literally 65% on two little things you got to do. But here's the question. And I'm going to ask every single person to watch this video to do me one favor. Put it in comments so I can get a true reading of what this... 10 years I've been trying to figure this out. Why is it that if you know that you'll have the higher your credit score, that the quality of your life will be significantly increased? What is stopping you? That's my question. Why are you not able to take action? And I want everybody to post a comment below on this. If you knew that the highest credit score will give you the best quality of life, the credit cards you've been dreaming about, the unlimited American Express, the $25K Navy, by the way, $25,000 Navy Federal, they're giving cards out right now. You got to be above 715 credit score. I'm going to show you exactly how to get that card. I've helped my team get this card. Literally, I mean, it's a game changer. If you knew that you can get a brand new car for yourself and your family to put on the road because you're driving a beater. If you knew that you can get a new apartment, or you're finally like, you know what, I want to buy my first house. Or I want to scale my business, but I know that the number one reason businesses fail is because of lack of funds. If you knew all that, and if you didn't, you do now, why would you ever have under a 781 credit score? And my question is this, and this is the psychology behind it. What is stopping you? There's something that's stopping each person from going, I'm taking action today. Post and comment what's stopping you. Get that shit out of your head, whatever it is, because it's a mental block that's killing you. It's literally holding you back from being successful. But I want to know in comments, what is the one thing that's holding you back from having a 781 credit score? And I'm going to answer personally. I'm going to answer these questions, and I'm going to ask you to call me so I can break through that mental barrier that's stopping each and every one of you guys. But I need to know what it is. If you don't put it, I don't know what it is. I can only help you if you say, here's what the reason is of why I don't have a 781 credit score. What is the reason why you haven't taken action on it? Post the comments below. I would love for every single person to do this because I believe that if you put it and you're speaking it, I'm going to take action and I'm going to have you call me and I'm going to break through that mental barrier that's literally holding you back from everything you want in life. You see, everything you want in life is other people's money. It's not your money. It's not cash. Cash is trash. When you can understand OPM, other people's money, and leverage credit cards and leverage line of credits and leverage frickin' everything you want in life because interest rates are the lowest they've ever been in history and because it's so easy to buy your first house and get high limit credit cards and to be a millionaire, you would literally stop for a minute and go, you know what? Remember when Mike was telling me about pushing my head underwater? I want credit more than that. So take a second, put it in comments, go, hey, this is the reason why I'm inept. This is the reason why I've decided I can't do this. And humble yourself, man. Because if you humble yourself, I can help you. But if you want to be cocky and you want to be the kind of person who goes, I don't want to put it because I don't know. Dude, I've helped everybody from a 350 to 850. You're no different. Okay? Sometimes in life, we have to be able to humble ourselves. Put in comments what stops you from having a 781 credit score, which, by the way, is the highest credit score you can have. 750, 781 all the way up to 850 is the same. It's called A1 credit. I've got 4 doctorates in credit, 40,000 hours. If there's one person in the world that's going to help you and support you more than literally your wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, your parents, it's going to be me. Your money will not change my life. What will change my life is that you get successful because my why is helping millions of people across the world live a better life because they understand the credit game. Post that comment below so I can figure out with hundreds of people, and I'm going to personally go through it myself. And then I'm going to ask you to call 904-420-7772. Then I'm going to pull up your comment and we're going to break through it together. This is going to be a team effort, but it's going to be the first time that everyone, like I'm going through it with you to help you through this. Okay? I'm going to hold your hand literally to help you become successful with your life and your credit, because I'm telling you, when you increase your credit score, you're going to see the possibilities, and the things that it's going to unlock along the way is game changer. I love each and every one of you guys. I'll wait for your comment, and then as soon as you comment, call me 904-420-7772, and then we'll go through it, find you, and then we'll be able to break through it. I love you guys. I'll talk to you in a minute. Let's roll.